Hi guys, we are ready to step out now. We just had some coffee and we're refreshed and we're just going out to check out the city and have dinner as well. I'll take you guys along. So for now I'll show you guys my outfit. This is what I'm wearing today. It's a dress and then I have my leggings underneath and my Converse. So that's it and see you soon. Hi guys, we are now at the CF Mall. They're gonna close in another hour and a half, I think. So we just came to look around because it's the long weekend. So they usually close malls early here. So let's see how it is. We're gonna have dinner now. We got it from Bourbon Chicken, I think that's the place. And show you guys what we have. Mine, I have chicken, sesame chicken and spicy chicken with spicy rice. And this is what Derek is having. He's got noodles and beef. I'll see you guys after dinner. So guys, we are back at the hotel now. And we had dinner and we're just gonna go maybe sit for a while and then go to bed. So I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Bye bye. Hi guys, good morning. So we are heading out to church now. It's about two to 3 minutes away from the hotel, and we're just going for the 10 o'clock service, and then probably we'll go out seeing the city. So I'll catch you guys soon. Hi guys, we just came back from the service and we went back to the hotel and just got refreshed, and we're just going out to look out and probably take some pictures in a nearby park. I saw this park from yesterday, so we'll probably go there to take some photos, and then we'd be heading back to Montreal today. It's another 1.5 drive, so after the photos we'd be going back to the hotel to check out and then go to Montreal. So it's gonna be a good day, and the weather is good today as well. I think it's raining in Montreal today, but for now here it's all fine. So let's see how this park looks. It's beautiful, like the view was beautiful from my room. I think I already showed you guys. So I really wanted to take some photos. And also yesterday it was not a wedding that was happening, it was a wedding photo shoot that was going on there. So that's why I wanted to come and check out this place, and it has a good water area, so I think we'll get some good photos there. Just stepped out now and we're just gonna check out this place. It's almost like a small community, I think. I do see people, like there are few houses there, and actually this entire area is sort of like a small village, I think, because they don't really have too many people staying here, but there are those, like, you know, very cute small houses, and so the population is not too many here. Hey guys, so I hope you're enjoying the vlog. So behind me you can see my husband and my little one. I wanted to introduce them in this vlog to all of you because so many of you have been asking for them. So Babe, come here. See, I would like to introduce you to the two most important boys in my life.
Hi.
This is my husband Derek.
Hello.
And my little one Elijah. Say hi. Hi, Boo. I say hi.
Say hello. Say hello.
So I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog, and see you guys soon. Take care. Hi guys, so we just checked out of the hotel and we're going towards Montreal, but this is about like a 20-minute drive from the hotel. And also I wanted to show you guys this, if I'm not wrong, is supposed to be the Parliament House. I'm not sure, because everything after the hotel we were staying in, everything after that is written in French, so it's so difficult to comprehend what the board says, because that is, I think, the border towards Quebec, because Quebec is a French city, and you have a lot of, I think that's the like they speak French more than English, so everything is written in French. These are all like really old, I'm sure, like probably even about more than 70 to 80 years old. All these monuments here, they're so tall and really huge. And if I'm not wrong, I think if you can see that building here with the glass, I think that is the US Embassy. I saw that yesterday while passing by there, and it's huge. That's the US Embassy. Hi guys, so we are finally in Montreal. It was about the commute was about 2 hours, and then now we are here. We just dropped by to have lunch, and then we just came to this place. It's called the Botanical Garden, but it's closing in 10 minutes, so we just came in here just to check out and probably come back tomorrow in the morning. But just for now, just going in, I think they do have some shops here for souvenirs maybe, so we're just gonna check that out, and then we'll go to the Oratory of Saint Joseph. That's the biggest cathedral here in Montreal. Mostly whenever people come to Montreal, that's the first thing they visit, so that's where we'll be going next. And the good thing is it's open 24/7, so we can probably just hang out here for another half an hour and then we'll be going. So come, let's check it out. I have something here. It's amazing. Check it out. My God, this is so beautiful. This is even prettier in person. Camera is not doing justice to how pretty it actually is. to run. I think he's seen me. Yay, there. So we'll go check out some cherry blossoms there. Actually, these tulips are still, like a lot of them are still like buds. They haven't bloomed yet, so probably another month and all of them should be like completely full. Oh, this tree is filled with cherry blossoms. We are on the way to St. Joseph's Oratory, and it is pouring cats and dogs outside. It's literally like flooding up the place. We are at the oratory. It's raining. This is the driveway, and the parking is right on top. So it's almost like going up a hill. So we are going to get to park the car now. Last time I came it was summer, so. So we're going into the church now. It's a huge church. This is actually the top floor. There is another church underneath. The other chapel. This is the crypt church. So we had to go down 3 elevators to come to this church. So Saint Andre was a devotee of Saint Joseph. So they have his tombstone and the place that he worked and his bedroom and his room and everything inside this church. So I'll take you guys to his tombstone. So if you see here, you'll find walking sticks on either side. On either side, you'll find these walking sticks here. So, so the significance behind that is people come here. When they come into the oratory, they come with their walking sticks, but when they go back, they are completely healed. So, as a significance, they leave back their walking sticks and go back home walking. So, guys, that's it. We're going back to the hotel now. So we are staying at the Holiday Inn in Montreal. So I'll see you guys again at the hotel. Hi guys, so we reached the hotel. Come, let's go in now. Oh, it's a nice room. So here we have a mirror, a nice long mirror, and then a small seating area, which also doubles up as a bed, I think. Then we have the coffee bar here and the washroom. And then when you come out, we have the nice bed. And there is another chair here with an ottoman. And then a small office. Then see how the view is. Probably you'll see it better tomorrow morning when I show you. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's very late and we are very exhausted today. Lots of getting off the car and getting in, so we're all very tired. So just going to sleep now. Good night. Let me see if I can do the fall again. Bye-bye. Hi guys, so good morning. We just got done with breakfast and we are heading back to Toronto. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I will see you back home. Bye bye.